Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Last week we have discussed till manganese. Let us discuss further, that is bauxite. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium, or we can also say that bauxite is the raw material for making aluminium. It is one and the same thing. And India is the third largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is used for making aircrafts, ships and utensils because it is light in weight. It is also used in electrical industries because of its good electrical conductivity and also used for making headlight reflectors, mirrors and telescope. Bauxite is also used in cement industries, chemicals, soda canes and dishwashers. Next, metallic mineral is copper. Copper is highly ductile, means it can be easily drawn into or converted into a thin wire. It is also strong and good conductor of electricity. Copper was used in the ancient civilizations in India. They used to make arms, ammunition. Ammunitions are the component part of other weapons that create the effect on a target. For example, warheads. Okay, and copper was also used for making utensils. Copper is in great demand in the industrial field because of its high ductility, high thermal and electrical conductivity. Thermal means heat conductivity. Also, we make different alloys by mixing copper and other metals or non-metals with it. For example, when we mix copper and zinc, brass is formed. And when we make copper with tin, bronze is formed. So, copper is also used for making other alloys. Then next is non-metallic minerals. In non-metallic minerals, we will discuss about limestone and mica. Firstly, limestone. Limestone is found in all the states of India. It is used in various industries as it has many uses, like for soda as caustic soda, that is used as a cleaning agent, also used in making washing soda and in bleaching powders. It is also used in paper industry, cement industry, iron and steel industry, glass and fertilizers industry. So it has many uses. Next is mica. Mica is a shining non-metallic mineral. So it is used in paints as a pigment exterior, or we can also say exterior paints. It also adds brightness in the paints. Mica is also a superior insulator, mean it is a very bad conductor of heat and electricity. It does not allow electricity and heat to pass through it. So it can hold or it can withstand high voltage of electricity. That's why it is used as thermal insulator and electrical insulator in electric industries. Then is the fuel minerals or fossil minerals and mineral oil. All these three names are of one and the same. Mineral fuels are found when dead remains or fossils of animals and plants were buried under soil and small rocks. The heat and the pressure of the rock and from the earth change them into coal, oil, and natural gas. It is not made in few years. It took millions of years to make them as mineral fuel. So we also call them non-renewable resources, as the resources which cannot be renewed again are known as non-renewable resources. All the mineral fuels are the primary energy sources. Okay, before moving to coal, firstly, it is necessary to understand non-renewable resources and renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which can be replenished naturally, or they can be renewed naturally in short period of time. For example, our solar energy, wind energy, water energy, biomass, etc. Non-renewable sources of energy are the resources of energy that cannot be renewed. For example, coal, petroleum, nuclear energy, natural gas, all these are non-renewable sources of energy because it takes millions of years to form non-renewable resource. Okay, got that? Okay, now let's discuss about coal. Coal is major source of power, or it is broadly used as fuel. It is a conventional source of energy. Conventional source of energy, I will just explain after this, after finishing coal. Okay? Yes. So, coal is an inflammable organic substance composed of hydrocarbons found in sedimentary rocks. Inflammable organic substances means substances rich in carbon and which can be burnt easily, and it is found in sedimentary rocks. As it is the main power source of fuel, many industries, for example iron and steel industry, thermal electrical power plants, and various chemical industries depend on coal for their power intake because they use coal as their main power source. Coal is used on a large scale in industries. Now, conventional source of energy and non-conventional source of energy. Firstly, conventional source of energy are the non-renewable sources of energy which have been used since a long time. For example, firewood, coal, petroleum. These energies sources causes pollution when used. Other is non-conventional source of energy. Non-conventional sources of energy are renewable sources of energy. These sources have recently developed and are still developing. For example, our solar plants, water energy, wind energy, and they do not cause any pollution. Next of the two mineral fuels we will discuss next week, and on next Monday prepare yourself for test of this chapter till copper. Thank you.